Do you know how to bleed your Draper hydraulic bottle jack, trolley jack, or hydraulic press if it will not hold pressure? And do you know what the main cause of pressure loss is that creates the hydraulic ram to creep down? All hydraulic rams will lose pressure over time, and if not kept in the right working position, i.e. trolley jacks in the horizontal position and bottle jacks in the vertical position, airlocks will become present in the system. To improve the performance of your Draper hydraulic tool, you need to carry out the following steps. First, check seals to ensure no leaks. Next, loosen the pressure release valve. And then pump 5 to 10 times. And with the handle in the lower position, tighten the release valve. If this does not work first time, repeat this process up to 4 times. At this time, if the hydraulic ram is not holding pressure, you should contact the Draper helpline on 023 80 494 344.